This is going to show an SSD replacement on a T14 Gen 6 Intel V series processor. The V series doesn't have RAM replacement, so I already undid a couple of the screws up there. They have washers on the back, so they won't come out. So we'll just start prying from the back here. So I'm just going to go all the way around the back and the sides because the front usually slides out. Yep. And so I'm just going to tilt it up and slide it back. Go side to side. There we go. So I have to tilt it up a little more. So yeah, that's the inside. That's just the SSD there. So for the SSD, I'm just going to take out the one screw and then take off this heat shield. And there'll be like silicone on the bottom, so just it might stick a little bit. I can just tilt it up. Pull that out. Oh, actually came out with the whole SSD, just like that. There's a little silicone heatsink thing for dissipating the heat, and then one on the bottom. So yeah, and then I'll just take the SSD off and then put the new one back in, put the heatsink back on, and that's it. And yeah, you'll see there's no RAM slots in this one. I just want to give you a look at the board. Yeah, so I'll just, when I'm done, slide this back in and then put all the screws back down and snap it back. That's it.